What's up, my Shuggies? Ashley here, and in today's video we are doing another amazing HomeGoods shop with me and haul. I have found so many good items, not only from HomeGoods but Marshalls and T.J.Maxx, that I'm so excited to share with you guys. So if you are interested in seeing this video, then just keep watching. You guys, before we hop into the video, I want to first talk about these amazing chairs. If you follow me on Instagram, then you will see I posted about them. I absolutely love them. So many things are great about these. First of all, I want to thank Cheetah Living for sponsoring this video. And these are the Luke chairs. They come in so many different fabric selections, so leather as well as fabric. And as you can see, this is the Boucle type material. As you know, I love Sherpa Boucle anything. These are so amazing. As you can see, the texture on these and the detail is phenomenal. And of course, the streamline of the rounded backs. I also love that it has that seamless armrest. So if you are using these to lounge in, these are perfect for a bedroom nook, a reading nook, just relaxing. I also love that they have a 360 swivel on them. And as you can see, I paired them with my favorite accent table from Target and the Studio Mickey boxes just for a little something. These are made with certified fabric that is suitable for high traffic use. And the frame is crafted from solid engineered wood and hardwood. Of course, if you use the code AKK15, you will get 15% off all accent chairs on their website. I love the way the website is set up. It's super easy to see all of the different choices. They have super similar chairs. If this is too rounded for you or you don't like the color, definitely hop on the website and check out the different options. There are so many to choose from. And like I said, even the other fabrics come in leather as well as other colors. So definitely lots to choose from depending on what style and room you want to put these in. But I think these fit this room perfectly. This is exactly what it needed. The chairs that I had before were a little bit too monochromatic. They just blended in with the wall. And I think these are going to be awesome because I want to, in order to complete the look of the room, add some trim work to the wall. So I'll have the trim work behind, the nice contrasting color in these chairs, and we will be good to go. I also love that the cushions are removable. So if you have any stains or you just want to fluff them, you could do that as well. And then they're the perfect size. So if you wanted to add a throw pillow, you could. And if you wanted to leave it sleek and plain for a little bit more of a modern look, you could totally do that as well. So I, of course, will link these in my description box. And don't forget to use the code AKK15 for 15% off any accent chair you choose. These came packaged so well, you do not have to worry about them getting damaged, and the shipping was super quick too. So let me know what you guys think of these beautiful chairs, and without further ado, get into the video. All right, guys, we are starting off with my favorite blankets. I feel like you can never have enough. This one is one I have been looking for probably for months. It is Nicole Miller. I know that they have more than one style, the bigger checkers and the smaller. You know I love a good checker moment, especially when it's black and neutral. So I got this. They're only 24 bucks. I feel like you cannot beat the blankets there. They're so comfy, cozy. There's so many different styles and they're always so affordable. So I did get this one. It is a little bit more oversized, 50 by 70. So I'm really excited about that. This would be great on a bed. This would be great on a couch to kind of lay it over and then put the pillows on top of it. But I'm really excited and looking forward to using this. I also think this would be good for the winter months, but I'll probably use it all year round. This other one I love. I just washed it and I'm getting ready to use it. This is great for a baby blanket. This is great for a regular throw blanket, maybe for a kid's room. But I love the zebra print and pattern on it. I think it is just so gorgeous. The other side of it is just simple and plain. So this is really thin. I like to have a collection of different types of blankets, especially the thinner ones for the days that you don't want to completely be covered up. You just want something, you know, over your feet or your legs, or in the case that you're using it for a baby or a child, just something thin that won't make them too hot. The colors on these, absolutely gorgeous. I feel like this looks super high end. It looks very Pottery Barn to me, Crate and Barrel. It has a beautiful taupe background and the zebra print. And again, this is very nice and oversized. So if you are on a kick like I am for pillows and blankets, definitely check out Homegoods, Marshalls, T.J.Maxx. I go to all of them all the time. I have another one I'm going to show you later that is super cute and fun. But they just have the best choices and options available. And again, this was also $24.99. Just as a side note, we are not judging the fact that I still have my Christmas tree up, but you can also use the throw blankets for something such as this to use around the Christmas tree. If you can't find a Christmas tree color like me that's big enough for your massive 12-foot tree, they work just as well. And this one was only $19.99. So definitely useful in the different areas of the home. And this one, again, you can just turn around, wash it, and throw it on the couch for decor or use it to cover up with. Next up is a super cute basket. It actually comes in a ton of different sizes, but I love how modern this looks. It reminds me so much of Crate and Barrel. It has a lift lid, so you can use this for, again, virtually anything. You could untie this and use it for storage, leave this in and use it for laundry. But I love the contrast of the black with the beige peeking through, and then the little lid is just super sleek with the circle on the top here. And I put this in the nursery for dirty clothes because it'll be super easy to access. I wish I would have gotten the other size, however, just so I could have one for maybe toys and one for a hamper, but if I do run into another one, I'll definitely snag it. The price on this was around, I believe, $29.99. And next is this that I talked about in the last video briefly, the super cute acrylic piece. They've had a ton of acrylic going around the store and I love them. These are normally used, I believe even this one I found in the bathroom section, but I think that this is great, again, for multi-use around the house. You could use this in a bathroom. I put it here in the corner. There's just a little nook over here and put some books on here, and I'll continue to fill it up as time progresses. This is an oldie but a goodie as well. It needs to be painted, but I think it's super cute just accessory wise. And since we're on the topic, has anyone else noticed that they used to have a baby section with like toys and all that stuff and now they don't? I think that that's really interesting. I don't know if it's just my location, but let me know what you guys think about that in the comments below. And speaking of blankets, this is the other one I told you guys about that I think is just so cute and sweet. I actually initially saw it online and happened to go into Marshalls I've never been in before while driving around, and they had a ton of them, and I just think this is so sweet. For summer, for something fun for your kids. They did have other color options, but I love the strawberry with the white background. And again, it's a nice oversized size, 50 by 70 inches, and this feels just like the Barefoot Dreams. So a total Barefoot Dreams dupe for $24.99. I think this is a steal. And again, you could use this if you just love strawberries, or for kids. I cannot wait to wash this and bust this baby out. And I want to take a second to talk about this beautiful rug that I actually was able to find, because I did recently find this at Homegoods. It was in a previous video, but for those of you looking for a link, I have now found it on a different website, so I'll make sure to link this. It is the most amazing lightweight rug. It comes in a couple of different patterns, so if you're not into this, I think they have like a gray zebra. I think they have a total of 4 options, but I absolutely love it. It is perfect for an office. It's perfect for any sort of space that you want to add a moody look to, and I think it just works perfectly in the closet area, as well as these chairs, which are not available anymore, but I do love them, and the marble table, which I did recently see, so I believe that's back in stock. I will see if I can link that for you guys, but these are items that I did recently show that are coming in and out of stock, so I will make sure to see if I can link them for you, because these are too good to pass up. They really seem like one-of-a-kind items to me, and the price point on these were extremely affordable. I love looking at Marshalls and T.J.Maxx online. Unfortunately, like I said in the past, HomeGoods has now discontinued their website. I don't know why. I guess maybe it wasn't performing the way that they wanted. However, we still have Marshalls, we still have T.J.Maxx, so I will make sure to link all of these goodies for you guys if you like these in the past and weren't able to snag them. I also wanted to show you guys really quickly, for those of you that are moms, if you are able to go to T.J.Maxx and Marshalls, these bamboo pajamas, mostly by the brand Milkberry. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe how affordable they are and how nice they are, the quality. $8.99. They are mostly sleepers, but they have little sets as well. This one has little smiley faces, and they're actually rayon made from bamboo. And then this one is a set as well with little baby, I think they're deer. And the other side, it's just a plain pink one. And then this set, $16.99, so 8 a piece, little baby, looks like slinky dogs. And then another pink one with bows. And my ultimate favorite, if you know me, you know it's not only leopard, but it's ruffle butt. So $8 to $9 a piece. You guys cannot beat that. These are so nice in quality, and they go super fast. And some of these, I feel like the sizes are limited, but if you can snag them, I think this is a really, really great brand that's very affordable, that's going to be nice and last a long time, because they do have that great stretch in them. All right, you guys, that is going to wrap up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. As always, I will leave everything linked in the description box down below. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that post notification bell so you guys can be notified every time I upload new videos. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.